All right, folks, this is a beautiful power chair. This is my favorite color, this type of blue on the black. This is just a gorgeous power chair. This is the Quantum Edge 2.0 with the seat lift. This one has, the only function it has is the 6-inch seat lift. So before we do anything else, let me show you the seat lift, because that's what everybody's looking for. To make the seat go up, you would go through the joystick, and right here you would hit the blue button until you see a picture of the seat. When you see your seat, it's ready to go. Push the joystick back, I think, and you can hear your seat going up right now. This is your 6-inch seat lift. Okay, so now when you're all the way up, just to give you an idea, you're going to be at 28 inches. 28 inches is the top of the seat. You can see the actual seat lift actuators right here, okay? You can see the base. This is 14-inch solid tires, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. This chair has built-in anchor points. You can see one here, one here. You got 2 on each side. So you got a total of 4 of these. This is where you would secure your chair on your lift or your van if you're transporting your power chair. You have a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has an independent motor. That's why the chair can turn in a complete circle. If I want to push this chair right now, I can't do it. It's in gear. But if I turn the power off, and you'd want the seat down also, the reason you want to turn the power off, you might have some resistance in the motor if the electronics is still on. Push the lever down, and now all of a sudden, you're in neutral. Do both motors on both sides, okay? Put it back up, you're back in gear, turn your power back on, okay? The suspension on this chair is fantastic. I'm going to put the chair in drive right now. So you can drive this chair with the seat elevated. So you can see right now the seat's elevated, and it's still dry. So if you're going to drive it with the seat elevated, make sure it's on flat surface. Don't be going when it's bumpy. You're asking for trouble. But if you look at the front of this chair, you can see the heavy-duty suspension in the front. There's one on each side. And if you look at the back, we have the same suspension in the back for these right here. Okay, a heavy-duty suspension. These chairs have a phenomenal ride, meaning the ride is very, very smooth. So I'm going to bring the seat back down. Now, this chair, I'm going to let the seat go down and I'll keep talking here. The nice thing about this seat, it goes down fast. So you're going to be down in less than 5-6 seconds. So I'm going to put it back in drive. I'm going to flip this chair around. The seat on this chair is 19 by 19. This is called a captain seat. What that means is, captain seat, you'd have a high back with a headrest. You also have a lever here. So if you want to transport this chair, the magic number is 31 inches. So right here is about 30, to the top of the joystick, you would take the headrest off. It's 31 inches. Push it back. This is as far as it would go back. This would be driving position. The arms flip up. The joystick's on the right. If you're left-handed, we can put everything on the left. You do have a safety belt. You have an extra large footplate on this one. So this one came, this is a custom extra large footplate. It does flip up when you exit, okay? The batteries come out from the front on these, so if you want to take the batteries out of this one, you would squeeze the 2 levers. There's 2 levers, squeeze them inside, pull up, and there you go. You've got your footplate, your front cover. There are your 2 batteries right here. They're back to back. They come out from the front. These are 55 amp batteries. They'll give you about 14, 15 miles on a battery charge. That distance, always, it's how you drive. If you're going uphill, you go in the grass, you're a heavy person, you're not going to get the same distance. But an average weight person on a flat surface in their house or whatever, you're going to get 14, 15 miles on a battery charge. When you put the cover back on, it's real simple. Slide it back on. Usually it's simple until I do a video. When I do a video, then nothing wants to click in the way I want it. Like now. So, This is why I don't take these covers off when I do videos, because there's always a glitch. I mean, it goes on easily, but sometimes you gotta, all right, so it's back on normal now. So, other than that, if you need to tilt the seat up, there's 2 squeeze handles in the bottom right here. You squeeze the handles, and you can see the seat will go up. You can see the squeeze handles right there. There's one on each side. The seat sits on a trapeze bar, so it's really solid. Okay? When you charge this chair, you would take your charger, plug your charger right here, and as soon as the light turns green, you're fully charged. These chargers will stop charging as soon as the batteries are full. If you're looking for the reset button, it's right below the 2.0 right here is your reset button right there. Most people can't find it even if I tell them where it's at. It's right below the Edge 2.0 right there. It's on the left side. If you have to reset your chair, you're probably doing something you're not supposed to be doing, because that button only pops out if you overheat the motors. So if you're overheating the motor, you're either stuck in the sand or you're doing something you're not supposed to be doing. So this chair is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns around its own length all day long. So you could do this all day long with this chair. It has a really nice turning radius. These chairs are just, I'm so impressed. In the last 5 years, I always say to myself, how much better can they make them? But in the last 5 years, they've really, the suspension, the noise, the way they're built, especially these are high quality chairs. So if you're looking for a high quality chair, this is the Quantum Edge 2.0. Might have been used for a month. It's practically brand new. 6-inch seat lift, flip up arms, 19 by 19 seats. The arms can be adjusted out, anchor points, extra large foot plate, captain seat. This is a gorgeous looking power chair. I mean, if I had this, it looks classy and it's ready to go. Now this chair moves. I would say it goes 6.5 miles an hour at full speed. Wow. So this is the one, oh, this is the one I really like, the blue one. So I have it at full speed right now, but it's on the 4th speed. It's got 4 speed. No problem in the grass. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it just takes off. It's a little rough there in my grass. Smooth, it's all on the concrete here. When you let go, it stops automatically, but it's so smooth. So this is the Quantum Edge 2.0 with the seat lift. This is the one that you can elevate the seat, which I'm going to do right now, and drive the chair with the seat elevated. Put the chair back in drive, and you can drive the chair at a reduced speed, of course, but it's very nice. So it's got the seat lift, beautiful color. As I say, it was used maybe a month. Great turning radius, extra large foot plate. All the benefits I mentioned to you in the video are here. So if you're looking for a nice power chair with a seat lift, this would be a nice one.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.